want that whenever I post something on my Instagram, I want to instantly alert my team on Discord about the same so that I can gain the engagement on the post further. And yes, in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation which is going to automatically share your social media post to Discord. To create this automation, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of Discord notifications for free of new posts, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And we have these plans right over here. But if you want a heavy discount on this plan, we have a special discount coupon code just for you. You have to go towards this bite now. You have to enter your details, your credit card details, and then it is going to ask you for the coupon. So just click over here if you have the coupon. Because you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is specially for you. You have to type the discount coupon code, which is RITY and click on this apply. Once you click on this apply, it is saying coupon applied successfully, and as you can see that we have got a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So this discount coupon code is just for you. It is also attached in the description box below. You can check it out, but I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you feel that this is very helpful for your business, then move on further and use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Instagram because I want to create this Instagram automation today. Like I am just going to post on Instagram and I want to notify my team on Discord for the same. If you want to use any other social media platform, you can select the same right over here. But for Instagram, you have to select Instagram for business. For the event, select new media posted in my account and click on this connect. Now, if you already created a connection between Instagram and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Instagram for business. After you click on this button, first of all, make sure that your Instagram and Facebook account is connected and both the accounts are logged in. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account. Once both the accounts are logged in, just click on the continue button and your Instagram account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. It is very easy. Now you have to select the account to use and click on this save and send test request button. Alright, and once you're going to click on this save and send test request button, it's going to capture the last post which you posted on your Instagram. So it has captured the response right over here, and this post was the last post which I posted on my Instagram, which is 1 hour ago. And yes, if you want to capture the response for the new post, you first have to post that post and then click on the save and send test request button. Because Instagram is a pooling based application means that this application will not check for new data instantly. It is going to take some amount of time to check for the new data, and over here in the case of Instagram, it is saying the trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So what is going to happen is every 10 minutes this workflow is going to run and check for the new data, and then it is going to capture the response for the same, which we are going to further forward on Discord. Alright, so to do this, just click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Discord and select Discord right over here. For the event, you have to select it as send channel message. It totally depends upon you. If you want to send HTML messages, select HTML, otherwise markdown, and click on this connect. It is asking for the webhook URL. So to get this webhook URL, open your Discord, go towards the server name, then the server settings. From the left hand of the side, go on this integrations and then webhooks. Click on this new webhook button. A new webhook, something named like this, will open. Just change the name of the webhook and then simply select the channel in which you want to send the message. It is very important that you select the same channel in which you want to send the message. Copy the webhook URL and click on the save changes button. Now simply paste the webhook URL in your workflow. For the message, I'm just going to enter the message, which is this, which says new Instagram post alert, and over here will be the caption. Check it out here, which will be the link of the post. So I'm just going to first enter the caption and the link, but we're not going to enter this manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the detail and map it. So I've mapped this caption and the permalink right over here, which is the post link. Now let's move on further. It is saying bot name and bot icons. If you wish, you can definitely add this. Same goes for the text to speech. I'm just going to leave it as blank because this is not required, and I'm going to click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully shared this on our Discord. So let's open our Discord and you're going to see this message is sent. Not only this, now whenever I'm just going to post something new on my Instagram or my social media platform, you can see instantly on Discord this message will be sent, which is going to say new Instagram post alert. The caption and the link to the same post will also be sent right over here. And further, this is going to increase the engagement on your post. You can also try this for Instagram Reels so that instantly you can gain engagement on them. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Further, if you want to create this automation for any another social media platform, and if you want a dedicated video towards the same, you can request that in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. The workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Also the discount coupon code, don't forget to check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.